Has someone ever been fired because of you? I was about 6 or 7 years old, just a normal day in elementary school. If I remember right, I think I was one of only 2 Asian kids there at the time. Lunchtime came, and I grabbed my lunch and sat with my friends. A few minutes later, while laughing with the kids at my table, one of the women supervising the lunch area suddenly came over and yelled, "Why are you sitting here? You don't belong here." She then knocked my tray off the table. Before I could react, she grabbed me by the arm and dragged me to a table that had no one sitting at it. All my friends watched in shock as this was happening. I ended up with just a peanut butter sandwich, feeling lonely and completely confused. This was my first experience with racism, though at the time I didn't even understand what it was. After that, another lunch lady brought me to the principal's office. They called my parents, and my parents were furious when they found out what happened. From there, it's a blur. I remember crying, but I don't recall much about the meeting with the principal. What I do know is that I never saw that woman again. She absolutely deserved what she got for treating a child, barely starting their life that way.